Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still here with Pressure Busspipe, who's going to perform for us in a few. But first, let's chat one more time.
All right, Pressure, I mean, you're here to promote your new single. It has a different sound that we're used to. I mean, tell us about that. Why the change?
Well, I mean, music is influential, you know what I mean? And Afrobeat is something that I've been really finding interesting over for the last year. And, you know, why not try it, you know? Musically, I feel like, you know, it's growing. The music industry is growing and artistry is growing, and I'm an artist before anything. So, you know, from I have the ability I've been doing, it's not much different, it's just the music. But the same content as far as, you know, talking about a woman and the lovers feel it. Same content, you know what I mean? So why not just try things, you know? Yeah.
Man, mix and match, 'cause that's the beauty about it and all of that. But in terms of doing another reggae, you know, kind of project, you have plans of doing that again?
Of course. This is just, we're just promoting singles. I have a new reggae album coming, Rebel with a Cause, coming sometime during the summertime. So, and that is something to look forward to, you know. So, and I'm looking forward to have that out on the market, you know, to reconnect with the reggae fans and stuff like that.
But you've been working on an EP, right?
EP as well. And
when are you releasing that?
I'm looking to release that EP anytime now. You know, within the next 2 weeks to a month, no longer than a month. So you can look forward to that as well. And the EP is entitled The Artist. You know? So you're going to hear some songs on the EP that's not the usual Pressure as well. But, you know, that's why it's an EP, because we can't just give it to the people. You know what I mean? We kind of have to feed them and see what go on and see if you're like, oh, you don't like that? All right, we'll not do that again. You understand? So we're just enjoying the music and having fun with it for the most part.
But the big thing in Caribbean music now, Buju Banton is now back. How are the people in St. Croix St. Thomas receiving that?
Lovely, lovely. He's coming to Tortola. I think in July, and it's the biggest talk right now.
No, when it's a long walk to freedom, I hold my place, my walk going on, man.
It's the biggest talk right now.
Enough stuff.
We'll flag over.
All right, so speaking of the single that you have now, what will you be performing for us?
Shows. We have some upcoming shows coming up on, in the Virgin Islands, and we're looking forward to touching Africa with the single as well and promoting that. You know, I've been getting a lot of response from Africa with this song. They know Pressure is a reggae artist, so they're welcoming it with open arms as to like, all right, it don't sound too bad, Pressure. We can work with it. You know what I mean? So we're getting the love from it still, and I'm just truly grateful.
The name of the song you're going to perform for us, what's
For You.
Not for me, for the people.
For You.
The song name For You. Mr. Pressure, the stage is yours.
Oh, for me.
You give it to me in another way. I feel come again another day. You do everything your dada say. Baby, the body where you get a lava. Me a bit of flan, Fibo show your armor. When it's sweet, call for your mama. A long time you have big man a wait for your ooh la la. Hey, do anything for you. Gucci and friendly for you. Do anything for you. The Benz and the house key too. For you. Get set for the ride. Hold tight. Just balance on the pressure and wine. Whole night. On your mark, get set for the ride. Hold tight. Just balance on the pressure and wine. All night. Hey, you give it to me in another way. I feel come again another day. You do everything your dada say. So me I figure your salary. When me step in I'm a wallaby. I forget even if you're far away. In a me cabin you are follow me. Baby, do anything for you. Gucci and friendly for you. Hey, do anything for you. The Benz and the house key too. For you. Get set for the ride. Hold tight. Just balance from the pressure and wine all night. And your mark get set for the ride all tight. Just balance from the pressure and wine all night. Hey, baby, the body where you get a lava. Me have it a flan, fi but show your armor. When it's sweet, you call for your mama. Hey, a long time you have big man a wait for your ooh la la. Hey, hey, do anything for you. Gucci and Fendi for you. Do anything for you. The Benz and the house key too for you. So, get set for the ride, hold tight. Got launch for the pressure and wine, all night. And your mark get set for the.
Hold them pressure must fight.
Yes, brother.
Pressure, my concern over pressure.
How are you concerned about now?
So pressure say, we do anything for you.
Not any.
Me never say anything. You know, say, can you say I give you the Benz key and the house key? You know, say right here some girls get some pressure.
Yeah.
With the Prada.
Pressure, like
Benz.
two, I give you the Benz key and
Yeah. Well, for you, for not
no.
you.
Just for you.
Just for you.
I'm a gear up, I don't really mean if I go on with it.
You understand?
I cut 2 key one.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me quickly, Pressure. Who produced for you?
This is an in-house producer, Masai, Bus Pipe Records producer.
Oh,
so yeah,
yeah.
man. So in-house
Alright.
production. Yeah.
Oh.
Social media.
Yeah.
Pressure Bus Pipe on Instagram, Pressure Bus Pipe on Twitter, Facebook, Bus Pipe _ Snapchat. Just keep up.
The man everywhere, man.
Don't
Yeah,
know.
man.
Listen, Pressure. Respect, brother. Respect.
Yes, yes, yes.
Up.
All the best for
That's-
the EP and also the upcoming album.
That's
Listen.
it.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch us back on Friday with much more buzz.
You must say all right.
No, serious
Chat.
vibe.
And mix. March 31st, slightly unhinged. Listen, dancehall and reggae. Check it out.